Introducing Melon Bite, nature's nutrient powerhouse. Melon Bite was founded by a group of students from Good Tree who are taking nutraceuticals and functional food. Our product is recommended for elderly adults with hypertension, but those with hypertension in general will also greatly benefit from consuming our product because it possesses plenty of health benefits which can help to reduce high blood pressure. Hypertension is very common in Malaysian population, whereby there is high prevalence of resistant hypertension that was constantly reported in 10 to 20% of the individuals diagnosed with hypertension. In addition, another study showed that 2 out of 5 older population in Malaysia who are aged 60 years and above were diagnosed with hypertension, and the highest prevalence, which is 65%, are found among individuals aged 70 years old and above. Melon Bite contains plenty of vitamins and minerals. Our product is high in dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin B6 and zinc. What makes our product unique? Our product is sodium free and incorporates the use of vinegar and natural sugars such as honey to pickle our watermelon rinds, which not only gives better health benefits such as reducing high blood pressure, but also gives an undeniable taste which will keep you coming back for more.
We all know that patients with high blood pressure have to be very cautious when taking any snacks due to the high amount of sodium added in them. Unlike other pickle products, Melon Bite is free from sodium and contains plenty of nutrients. Hence, Melon Bite is your choice of healthy snack in between meals while keeping an eye on your blood pressure. But here comes the question, do you know how much can you eat? Well, the recommended serving size for our watermelon rind pickles is actually 2 cubes, which is also equivalent to a total of 30 grams per serving. Without further ado, let us look at the nutrition information to find out more.
Moving on, here shows the nutrition information of Melon Bite, stating the amount of macronutrients and micronutrients found in per 100 gram and each serving of Melon Bite. For per serving, which is 30 gram of Melon Bite, it provides 95 kilocalories of energy in overall, and is mostly contributed by macronutrients such as carbohydrate, protein, dietary fiber, and least energy is supplied by the fat. Melon Bite contains most micronutrients of vitamin A, followed by vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and least amount of sodium. The claims that can be made for Melon Bite, which is a solid food, have been presented here, in which Melon Bite is high in dietary fiber, high in vitamin A, high in vitamin B6, and high in zinc. The claims are applicable as Melon Bite's content for these nutrients has met the criterion of claims upon comparison or calculation.
Our products are made out of 900 grams of watermelon rice, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1.5 cups of honey, 1.5 teaspoon of whole cloves, 6 cinnamon sticks which are broken up, half lemon which are thinly sliced, and lastly 3 3/4 cups of water to make syrup. These ingredients are enough to make 30 servings, around 2 jars of watermelon rind pickles, where 1 jar contains 15 servings.
Moving on, here is the processing steps of Melon Bite. First, the watermelon rind should be washed and dry, trim the dark green part and discard it. Cut the white part of the rind into 1-inch cube-shaped pieces. Collect an amount of cubes equivalent to 7 cups for each cube. Before picking, soak the rinds in ice water for 4 to 5 hours. Next, drain and rinse the watermelon rinds. Then cover the rind with fresh water in a boiling saucepan, boil until soft, then drain again. Next, combine vinegar, honey, whole cloves, cinnamon stick, water to make a syrup and simmer it gently in a cooking pot for 10 minutes. Then add the drained watermelon rind, sliced lemon, and boil the mixture for 30 minutes or until the watermelon rind is transparent. After that, fill a clean jar with the mixture of whole watermelon rind and syrup, and ensure it does not overflow by leaving a 1/2-inch headspace and screw on the lid. Then, place the filled jar in an actively boiling water and in a boiling water canner, and remove it after 5 minutes of processing. Next, cool the jar to room temperature and store in the refrigerator for at least 10 hours or longer for a deeper flavor before serving.
Now, let's look at the health benefit of watermelon rind. First, it has a high amount of minerals such as potassium. Potassium has vasodilation properties that ease the tension in the blood vessel wall, thus reducing blood pressure. In addition, it also contains zinc, which is essential for the proper functioning of the body. Next, are you aware that watermelon rind has greater citrulline content than watermelon flesh? Citrulline is an amino acid that has a potential role in vasodilation, which lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease in the elderly with hypertension. Other than that, citrulline also possesses antioxidant properties, which in turn help to boost the immune system. Furthermore, anthocyanin and flavonoids also serve a good antioxidant effect for protecting the body from free radical damage. Besides, it also helps to prevent the development of atherosclerosis in the elderly with hypertension. Lycopene also can be found in watermelon rind, which reduce the oxidative stress and protect the elderly against heart disease. Not only that, it is also a good source of fiber. Obesity is a significant risk for hypertension, so increased fiber intake can promote a healthy body weight through increased feeling of fullness and decreased calorie intake.
Be healthy and be selective about your snacks. We believe that Melon Bites will be your best and healthiest choice when craving strikes. Come to try out our melon bites.